Do you love French fries? Are you tired of plain old mashed potatoes? Check this recipe out. Stay tuned. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making potato croquettes. A potato croquette is kind of a cross between a French fry and mashed potatoes. I have 3 pounds of potatoes. They're Idaho potatoes. They're cut probably about a 1/2 inch thick, and I cut them in half. And I'm just going to bring these up to a boil. They're just covered with water. I'm going to bring them up to a boil and show you what to do when they're done boiling. Once your potatoes are nice and tender, we're going to strain them. Very, very important that once you strain them, you just let them sit in the strainer and let them steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. Basically what that does is it dries them out. Once our potatoes have steamed for about 4 or 5 minutes, and you still want them to be hot, but you want them to be dry, we're going to mash them. If you have a ricer, by all means, you can use a potato ricer. To roast our garlic, we're going to add some olive oil, very small amount. Toss very, very, very well. This is a double piece of aluminum foil. Once it's tossed, we're going to fold this in half and then just keep folding it over so it seals the garlic perfectly. And then we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes to a half an hour. I'm actually going to drop it on a sheet pan and put it in the oven. Garlic was in the oven for right about 25 minutes. And the most important thing is you'll notice that when I take a knife and I go like that, it smushes. So that means it's done. And that is official culinary terms, smushes. So let's talk about our ingredients. I have a cup of Parmesan. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 whole eggs, large, the 8 cloves of garlic that I roasted off, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. And I'm just going to add all this to our mixture. The roasted garlic gives it a really, really great flavor. If you've ever been to a good steakhouse and you've had roasted garlic mashed potatoes, that's basically what we're doing. Now when you mix this, you don't want to overmix it. You just want to mix it through. So it's mixed, but you don't want to overmix it because your potatoes will get sticky. So there's 3 very common shapes for croquettes. The first one, you just kind of roll it like so. That's the first type. Next one that you can do is a ball. And the last one, a little bit fancier, if you want to do like a fancier plate, is a little bit bigger, but you make it into a pear. And this actually looks really nice on a plate. I used to do this for catering all the time. And then what we're going to do is you fry a little piece of spaghetti off and you stick it in and it looks like a little pear. So I'm going to form all these and I'll show you what they look like when we're done. Our croquettes are now cool and we're going to bread them. I have flour, eggs, and I'm going to do a breading mixture. I have a cup of breadcrumbs. This will be in the description down below. I have a cup of panko. I have salt, pepper, and granulated garlic. And 2 tablespoons of parsley chopped. And now we're ready to start breading our croquettes. And basically you just dip them in a flour, shake off any excess, dip in egg, and breadcrumb. And we're going to do the same for all of them. Our potato croquettes are breaded, and now we're going to fry them. My deep fryer is set to 350 degrees, and my oil is hot. And I'm just going to put them in. And we're going to fry them golden brown and delicious. Our potato croquettes are now finished frying, and I want to show you what they look like. We have the pears over here, the normal ones over here, and the little ball over here. I'm going to try it. If you look at it, it's a real nice consistency. really, really, really good. You taste the Parmesan, you taste the garlic. Has a nice crisp outside, very soft inside. There's a very, very nice contrast between the outside, the crispy outside and the soft inside. Really, really nice potato. You will love these. If you like potatoes, you will absolutely love these. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and tell me what type of potatoes you like to make. Thank you so much and be safe, everyone. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.